Alright, you might recognize this from our previous video. This was the horizontal wind turbine USB charger, and I really didn't have a use for it except as a video project. So I converted it into a wireless weather station for my backyard. And you can see my previous video how I built this, but this is a homemade horizontal wind turbine connected to a permanent magnet generator, and I've converted that, instead of charging USB, to be a wind speed indicator. And I've hooked it up to this old electrical signal meter, and you can see, I don't know if you can see, pick that up on camera. You can see it giving a good boost when it runs. And then I've hooked up, put a portable weather battery powered press-on station on the top. So right now I got 71.6 degrees, 72% humidity, and all this is totally self-contained. So the whole unit, I just go out and put it, and I can check it and see what I got. Hope you like my project. Thanks.